What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video today. I'm so happy to be back, and I actually am restarting the challenge starting today. Today is day one, week one, and we're starting off. I didn't make any large trades today because I didn't see any value in any stocks that I was looking at currently. But during this week, I'm planning to make some big moves, and hopefully they'll go my way. So, I was just checking out some of the 100 most popular stocks, and of course, Apple's number one. But I was surprised that General Electric was up there, even though it has a strong downtrend recently. All right, let's get back to the point. So I'm back here with 200 bucks, and today I did a quick day trade just so I can give you guys some action. Like, I did this straight for you guys. Like, I was like, I'm not gonna end this day off with doing nothing. So obviously I made a quick day trade, and I bought at $60.12, sold it at $60.42. 30 cents made. Bam, there's something I can talk about, and something that's still growing. I mean, 30 cents isn't much, but it's always something, right guys? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you what stocks I'm looking at currently. So number one is D as in you guys, right here. You guys made such a strong push the last like 3 days. It's been going up a lot, like crazy. Like one day here it went up 18%, and then today went up 32%, and then after hours 5%. It's crazy. And what I see value in this is it was at a super all-time low, and it's starting to rebound back. Like, it gapped up back to around this support. Well, now it's around this support, around this area. And what I honestly believe myself, it's going to go up to around $80 and probably going to fall down from there, because by then the season of like natural gas will probably already be over. So that's basically you guys and D guys for you guys. Anyone trading Tesla right now? I heard there's a lot of stuff going on. Honestly, I'm not getting into that stuff because I haven't been watching the stock lately, and as you can see, I don't see any patterns that are super visible, except for right now that it will probably fall because it just hit a high. And if you draw like a support line from here, if you draw a support line from here down to this bottom, down to here, you would see that it was always bouncing off of like one straight line. If you were looking at the top, it's like horizontal. I mean, it's like uptrending. It's like an uptrending pattern, but then it broke it and it started falling down. So now what's gonna probably happen is it's gonna continue to downtrend. So that's why I believe Tesla's gonna fall. So if I were still trading options, wish I would, then I would probably bought a put option on Tesla, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall like 10% down to like $300. Is that 10%? That's around 10%. Yeah, that's basically it for that one. And the biggest one I kept for the end. So LABD right here. Today it went up. I mean, but at the end of the day, it just spiked up. But after hours, it fell a little bit. But LABD has been on a solid downtrend for the last like month. It has been falling a lot, but recently what happened is it bounced up right here, and well, of course at the end of the day it spiked up, and then it brought it back itself down to like the how do I say this? It's like a resistance that became a support now. That's how I say it. So old resistances become new supports sometimes. I teach that in a video that I made, but I haven't yet uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna upload that soon, by the way. So as you can see, the stock price bounced usually around 28.60, 28.60, 28.60 3 times right here, and right now it fell to around 28.46. So it's still somewhere around this area, and I'm pretty sure what's gonna happen tomorrow is, well, it's like the big move. Like, either it's gonna fall back down, that means it's gonna continue to downtrend, forever and ever. Just kidding. But it's probably gonna go down until like $21. So you'd probably jump on. I would probably jump on the inverse of that, which is LABU, just to ride that stock up while the LABD is dropping. So this is like the big move for LABD. Either if it goes up, it's probably gonna make a reversal, and the reversal is gonna be pretty big, up to like 44. Let's see if it went up to like $44 or $43. That's up 30%, and right now it's down. So that's around 44% potential for profit. How good does that sound? If and only if it continues the pattern that I already made, that it goes up from around this area. This is like at the support right now. So if it goes up, yes. If it goes down, who cares? I'm just gonna jump on to LABU. And this is probably the only stock that I'm gonna be trading, except for maybe a day trade or two with different stocks. What else do we have here? We have SQQQ. Also looking like it's gonna go up a little bit, like recently. Like when it was going up, had a little spike up to 1530. It's probably gonna tomorrow still spike up a little bit to 1530. But it usually hits its support at around 1230 and 1280. It's around $12.50. So that's probably what's gonna happen again. It's gonna fall down to $12.50 like it did right here, and continue the pattern, or it can just completely break it, because that's what happens in the stock market. You can never predict something 100%, but you could still be 95% sure. So another stock I was looking at is SVXY. Where's that one? SVXY right here. This stock was going up a lot, and recently, because it's like I'm pretty sure it tracks the S&P 500. It's like an ETF that tracks it, and it was trying to make this bounce on the support like it was doing before. See this support around $47 right here, and then it dropped a little bit lower to 46, but it still tried to like uptrend from here, which probably caught a lot of people off guard, and they probably thought it was gonna make another big swing like it did previously twice, like these big hills right here. They probably thought that was gonna happen, but it actually went the other way. It went completely downward, and now it's at the point where it's around $46, where as I see it right now, it's probably gonna fall back down. So that means the stock market's probably still gonna crash, but we never know, and we have to just go with the flow. You have to go with the trend. So if it continues to go up, then awesome. We'll jump onto it and ride it up to probably like $49. So that's a nice, I don't know, 8% gain if we were to trade that. And yeah, that's basically it. Guys, I'm so tempted by options. I'm looking at some stocks, and it's crazy how the temptations are eating me. And I want to trade some options because I see some stocks like this one is at its resistance, and if it just confirms the reversal downward, then I would buy some options, put options, and then I'd reap the like 100% profit. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should, if you guys stayed long enough, comment down below. Do you guys think I should do options once I get to like a certain checkpoint? Like once I grow this 200 to like 500, should I put away like 10% for options? Let me know. Comment down below. I want to hear what you guys want me to do. Obviously I'm going to make my own educated decision, but like I just want to hear you guys' opinion. Yeah. So that's basically all. I'm so happy to be back recording new videos for you guys on Robinhood. This is what you guys are watching me for, and that's what I want to provide for you guys. I'm going to make a video. I mean, I already made it, but I'm going to upload a video on how I like find the stocks that I find to trade, and how I analyze them and find if they're going upward or downward, or if I should invest in them or not. But that's going to be coming in a video still in a while. So just stay tuned for that because it might come out soon. That's all guys for today, and I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you a happy day.